Well, basically, we're diverse because of the type of music we listen to. So we might vibe to hip hop today or vibe to the next type of music. So depending on even the instrumental, because as twin sound, they say they have some beats are different. So if we catch them beats and with a sound different than with a sound on a rhythm from Not Nice or Genius because of the style. So basically we start kind of fluid in a dancehall, but within the realms of dancehall. So,
okay.
yeah.
So tell me a little bit about you and how you started.
Well, as a little kid, I always used to know the song, man, like listen to them and know them and go DJ them at school and thing. So from that time, I realized that they kind of have a love for the thing. But they kind of paused still, going into high school and going up. Till about fourth form, I started write back some song again and then. So I think they're on a level. Sixth form, I take a break again. No music, same way again. Then we reach back on you now. We start making it seriously. Because I have a couple of friends now where I preach now and I say, yo, Chavez Illmatiq, you need to take things serious. Yeah man, that's a jargon same way. You see me? So from that point, I started taking it serious and then the growth just start from this. Yeah man.
Alright, so is it just a you thing?
No man, it's a serious thing man, where we have some outside rhythms and everything man.
Okay, so what sort of rhythms?
We have a song called Rooting Tech rhythm that a drape up, that play up and read and everything like that.
Okay.
All over the place. Then we have the next one, Kill Them Slow, Chavez Illmatiq and Jay-Z. That's our next artist from OneKnockTV. The next collab. So yeah, them songs they really touch the road.
Okay.
So
So
now we release 3 songs with Marisa.
okay. So those are basically your recent projects then.
Yeah man.
So you have anything else in the pipeline, mixtape or anything?
Yeah man,
like that?
right now we have a mixtape coming up man. Stomach and Blend mixtape. I drop soon.
Okay.
Any day now man. Any day now.
Alright, so knowing that you have been on radio, how is the reception from promoters and
People always love it. When they hear it, man, them always tell me say they respect the work and them like it. We never really get nobody reviews about the work, and that's to me the promotion there. Everybody now hear it. And that's the struggle with enough young artists face now. So that's to get the music out there.
Alright, so have you been on any shows or anything like that?
Like recently, I wasn't really focusing on performing because of the mixtape. So now that the mixtape out now in promotion for the mixtape now, we're going to start performing some stage shows.
Alright, so you have any specific producer or artist that you like to work with?
Right now, we don't really watch the names still. From them flavor I go with everything.
So
You know? Right now we have resident people right now still. We have Juju Chan, Sinister that are twin sound. We have Chike, the chemist. We have Zionized Freeze that is a Mango producer. You have T5 from Moby, that are SR Productions.
Hidden Faces.
Hidden Faces same way. So Grey Show. We have a couple of producers same way. Bossy.
Damage.
You know? So as I try to use the team we have to push the Illmatiq brand forward and the Stomach brand forward, you know?
okay.
Yeah man.
But within the dancehall culture, you know that it's really hard for artists, new artists, to really get acceptance from the general public. So
Yeah.
what are you bringing differently to the table as a new artist?
Well, in my eyes, you know, you can't really be 100% different. You just have to stay real to what you are about. And it's a thing where if you're a reality, the people them not rate it. You just get knocking the music. You understand? Them not rating. You just have to bring your lifestyle in a way where the people them are gonna like it and bring with melodies, with the lyrics same way. So all them things have a contributing factor to the whole thing. So we just plan to come with a complete package. In the same way we have the music, we have the lyrics, we have the melody, we have everything. So we're just ready to touch around right now.
Alright.
And then also you know, leave the marketing, you know, realize you can't just focus on one place. You have to look at everything like a global brand. So we use a Facebook promotion, we use connects so I have go through different networks, we tackle Europe same way, we tackle a lot of the Caribbean and also with SoundCloud show even a lot of views from Asia. So people really show that them love the music all about. So we really focus on the one place.
Alright. So knowing that earlier you said about listening to music and so forth, who you think influenced you?
Well, I don't know my artist you know. I can tell you that. Cartel definitely. I'm gonna keep my rate of being a man same way. Since we grew up, we start really men's bounty killer and say, yeah man, in man same way, rate that the man better. You know, so all them man they contribute same way. Great Judah gang same way too. Yeah.
Alright, so we're looking at you now and fast forwarding to probably a year, 2 years. Where do you see yourself within the music?
Well, by them time the Chavez Illmatiq play go and do things and dance and song and play a party and do things, man. Never feel the fight off a group yeah, that's what you see.
Yeah,
pretty good.
So so is there any specific area that you would like to perform, for example, Asia and so forth?
Yeah, man, we want to touch all around the globe, man. Especially with the one going Europe still, coming like European country.
And
Africa
the Germany, they kind of, you know,
yeah.
Germany I play the music.
Europe, the dancehall and reggae is a big thing, seeing this, so we don't want to drop another market there as soon as possible.
So, where can the fans find you?
Well, Chavez_Illmatiq on Instagram and Chavez Illmatiq SoundCloud, that are the two. And Facebook to Chavez Illmatiq as well. So that are the 3 platforms that